AI and your future, thriving in the age of intelligent machines. Are you ready to unlock the secrets to not just surviving, but thriving in a world increasingly shaped by artificial intelligence? This isn't just about robots taking jobs. It's about a fundamental shift in how we work, what skills we need, and the incredible opportunities that lie ahead. Let's dive in and discover how you can future-proof your career. The narrative around AI often focuses on robots replacing humans, but the reality is far more nuanced. AI is a powerful tool, and like any tool, its impact depends on how we wield it. It's not just about automation, it's about augmentation, enhancing our abilities and creating entirely new possibilities. AI is rapidly transforming industries, from healthcare to finance, manufacturing to marketing. It's analyzing vast data sets, identifying patterns, and making predictions with unprecedented speed and accuracy. This power is reshaping the job market, creating both challenges and opportunities for workers across all sectors. The key to navigating this revolution is understanding its multifaceted nature and proactively adapting to the changing landscape. This means embracing lifelong learning, developing new skills, and focusing on the uniquely human qualities that AI cannot replicate. One of the most immediate impacts of AI is the automation of routine and repetitive tasks. This is already happening across various industries, from manufacturing to customer service, and the trend is only accelerating. This automation inevitably leads to job displacement, particularly in sectors that heavily rely on manual or routine tasks. Roles such as data entry clerks, bank tellers, and customer service representatives are increasingly vulnerable to automation. Reports suggest that millions of jobs could be displaced by AI in the coming years. One projection estimates that AI will displace 75 million jobs globally by 2025. This is a significant number, and it's understandable to feel anxious about the future of work. However, it's important to remember that automation has always been a part of technological progress. Throughout history, new technologies have displaced old jobs, but they have also created new ones. The key is to adapt and acquire the skills needed for the jobs of the future. The extent of job displacement is also a subject of debate. Some argue that AI will primarily enhance worker efficiency rather than significantly disrupt employment rates. In fact, studies show that less than 5% of occupations can be fully automated with current AI technology. While AI is automating some jobs, it's also a powerful engine of job creation. It's paving the way for new roles that didn't even exist a few years ago, and these roles are often more complex, creative, and rewarding than the ones they are replacing. New roles are emerging in AI development, management, and ethical use. These include positions like machine learning engineers, data scientists, AI researchers, and AI ethicists. These are highly skilled, highly sought-after roles that offer excellent career prospects. AI is also creating and enhancing jobs in various industries, including healthcare, pharmaceuticals, manufacturing, and finance. For example, AI is being used to develop new drugs, personalize medical treatments, optimize manufacturing processes, and detect financial fraud. Some reports predict a net gain in jobs due to AI. One projection estimates that AI will create 133 million new jobs by 2025, resulting in a net gain of 58 million jobs globally. This is a testament to the transformative power of AI and its potential to drive economic growth. The demand for AI specialists has surged in recent years, with a significant annual increase in job listings. This trend is expected to continue as AI becomes more integrated into our lives and workplaces. Perhaps the most significant impact of AI is the transformation of the skills required to succeed in the workforce. The skills needed in the job market are expected to change dramatically, with technological skills leading the way in importance. Workers need to adapt and develop new skills to work alongside AI and leverage its capabilities. This means embracing lifelong learning and being willing to acquire new knowledge and expertise throughout your career. Important skills for the AI-driven job market include analytical thinking, AI and big data skills, technology literacy, creative thinking, and adaptability. These are the skills that will allow you to thrive in a world where AI is increasingly prevalent. AI literacy skills, such as prompt engineering and proficiency with AI tools, are becoming increasingly important. Prompt engineering is the art of crafting effective prompts for AI models, and it's a skill that will be highly valued in the future. There is a growing need for upskilling and reskilling initiatives to prepare the workforce for the AI-driven economy. Governments, businesses, and educational institutions all have a role to play in providing workers with the training and resources they need to succeed. AI can automate repetitive tasks, freeing up employees to focus on more complex, creative, and strategic work. This means that workers will need to develop their critical thinking, problem-solving, and communication skills. While AI offers tremendous potential, it also presents some potential challenges. It's crucial to address these challenges proactively to ensure that AI benefits everyone, not just a select few. AI could exacerbate inequalities in the job market, particularly for those with low digital competencies or older generations. It's important to provide these individuals with the training and support they need to adapt to the changing landscape. There is a risk of technological exclusion if employees are not adequately trained and supported. This could lead to a widening gap between the haves and have-nots, which would have negative consequences for society as a whole. It is crucial to ensure ethical and equitable implementation of AI. This means developing AI systems that are fair, transparent, and accountable. It also means addressing issues such as bias in AI algorithms and the potential for AI to be used for malicious purposes. Comprehensive social safety nets and retraining programs are needed for vulnerable workers. These programs should provide financial assistance, job placement services, and training opportunities to help workers transition to new careers. In a world increasingly dominated by AI, it's important to remember the unique strengths and capabilities that humans possess. These are the qualities that AI cannot replicate, and they will be increasingly valuable in the future. Creativity is one of the most important human advantages. AI can generate content and solve problems, but it lacks the spark of originality and the ability to think outside the box that humans possess. Empathy is another crucial human quality. AI can process emotions, but it cannot truly understand or share them. Empathy is essential for building relationships, resolving conflicts, and providing compassionate care. Critical thinking is also a vital human skill. AI can analyze data and identify patterns, but it cannot evaluate information critically or make nuanced judgments. Critical thinking is essential for making informed decisions and solving complex problems. Communication is another key human strength. AI can generate text and speech, but it cannot communicate effectively in all situations. Communication is essential for building trust, fostering collaboration, and conveying complex ideas. Leadership is also a uniquely human quality. AI can manage tasks and optimize processes, but it cannot inspire and motivate people. Leadership is essential for building strong teams, driving innovation, and achieving organizational goals. In summary, AI's impact on the job market is multifaceted, involving both job displacement and creation, as well as a significant shift in the skills required for success. It's a revolution that demands our attention, our adaptability, and our willingness to learn. Adapting to these changes through upskilling, reskilling, and a focus on uniquely human skills will be crucial for navigating the evolving world of work. The future belongs to those who embrace change, who are willing to learn new things, and who are able to leverage the power of AI to enhance their abilities. Don't be a bystander in this revolution. Take control of your future and start preparing for the AI-driven world today. The opportunities are vast, and the potential for growth is limitless. Ready to take the next step and future-proof your career? Here's what you can do right now. Identify your skill. Gaps. What skills are in high demand in the AI-driven job market that you currently lack? Research online courses, workshops, and certifications that can help you bridge those gaps. Embrace lifelong learning. Commit to learning something new every week, whether it's a new software program, a new programming language, or a new business concept. Network with AI professionals. Attend industry events, join online communities, and connect with people who are working in the field of AI. Learn from their experiences and insights. Experiment with AI tools. Get hands-on experience with AI tools like ChatGPT, Bard, and DALL-E 2. Learn how to use them effectively and explore their potential applications in your field. Share this guide. Help others understand the impact of AI on the job market and empower them to take control of their futures. Share this guide with your friends, family, and colleagues. The future is not something that happens to us. It's something we create. By taking these steps, you can position yourself for success in the age of intelligent machines and thrive in the exciting new world of work that AI is creating. Don't wait. Start your journey today.